Yeah,
Okay.
being one of the major partner DCMJ Online, your title Sing Her ABC. How can you encourage not only not just Christian but also entire Filipino?
Ano?
How you encourage the Filipino people to watch your concert, not just pure Christian but also a Muslim or the
Of
entire
course, no,
Filipino?
this is not just for Christians. It's for everybody who loves music and who would like to hear me, syempre, no? It's one of my more special shows kasi based on the fact that it's going to help someone who is going through dialysis na magkakaroon ng kidney replacement, magkakaroon ng need for operation. So, this is a very worthwhile show. Meron tayong beneficiary na very important support natin.
So is a concert for a cause, a Nobel
Yes,
concert?
there's a cause.
Thank you, Miss Ko.
You're very welcome.